Welcome students. As promised, in today's class, let us discuss some inequalities which involve absolute value functions, and also let me discuss some little complicated questions which will be useful for your JEE Main and JEE Advanced. So, to start with inequations, let me start with a basic inequality mod x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. Solve mod x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. So, let me do it both geometrically as well as analytically. What does this mean geometrically? Translate this question into English. Find all the numbers whose distance from 1 is less than or equal to 5. So, I want all the numbers whose distance from 1 is less than or equal to 5. So, whenever you are solving inequations, one point which you have to keep in mind is first understand the equation and then relative to that equation look at the answer. So, mod distance of x from 1 I want it to be less than or equal to 5. So, first my focus will be on when will it be equal to 5. So, what all numbers are at a distance of 5 from 1? 5 units I will move rightwards, 5 units I will move leftwards. So, 5 units when I move rightwards, which number do I reach? 5 plus 1 6. 5 units when I move leftwards, which distance, which point will I reach? 5 leftwards, 1 minus 5 which is minus 4. Now, at this point distance of this from 1 will be equal to 5, distance of 1 from this point is equal to 5, but what do I want? I want the distance to be less than or equal to 5. So, distance from 1 can be less than 5, that means all these points are a distance of less than 5 units from 1. So, our answer will be all the collection of points from minus 4 to 6. So, it is set of all points from minus 4 to 6 and equality is given. So, it can be 6, it can as well be 4. So, answer what will it be? Closed interval. Your solution set is closed interval minus 4 to 6, set of all numbers from minus 4 to 6 both included. So, that is your answer. I want all numbers which are at a distance of less than 5 units from 1. So, I will focus on first when is it 5 units. From there I am looking at all the numbers which are at a distance less than 5 units. So, all these points are at a distance of less than 5 units on the right side and all these points are at a distance of less than 5 units on the left side. So, collection of points from minus 4 to 6 will be your answer. So, take any point in between, this distance will be less than 5 units. Take any point in between, this distance will be less than 5 units. So, your answer will be set of all points from minus 4 to 6. Let us solve the same question analytically. So, in analytically what you have to keep in mind? You have to remove the modulus sign. And when can you remove the modulus sign? When you know when the quantity within the modulus is positive and when is it negative. To know that, you have to cut the number line at 1. Yes. So, cut the number line at 1. For the points to the right, x minus 1 is positive. For the points to the left, x minus 1 is negative. So, what will happen to this? In case 1, what is your case 1? Let us say this is your case 1, set of all points less than 1. When x is less than 1, x minus 1 will be negative. So, modulus of x minus 1 will be 1 minus x. 1 minus x is less than or equal to 5. Throw x the other side, bring 5 this side. So, what do you get? X greater than or equal to minus 4. X greater than or equal to minus 4. And what is case 2? I will not conclude the answer now. Let me complete both the cases and then I will write the final answer. What is case 2? X greater than or equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1. And when x is greater than or equal to 1, what will be mod x minus 1? X minus 1 is positive, so it will be x minus 1 itself. X minus 1 is less than or equal to 5, or this implies x less than or equal to 6. X less than or equal to 6. Now, look at all the numbers which are part of our answer in the assumed case, what is this case? We are talking about numbers which are less than 1. We are only talking about numbers up to 1, and we want all the numbers which are greater than minus 4 and up to 1. Greater than minus 4 means to the right of minus 4, up to which number? 1. So, from here your solution set would be set of all numbers from minus 4 included, equality is here, up to which number? 1. 1 there is no equality, so it is open 1. So, what is the answer in first case? It is set of all numbers which are greater than or equal to minus 4 and less than 1. So, set of all numbers in closed minus 4 to open 1. And from second case, what do you get? Assumed case is set of all numbers greater than or equal to 1. I want set of all numbers which are greater than or equal to 1 to the right of 1, and to satisfy the given condition x should be less than or equal to 6. So, x should be less than or equal to 6. So, what will be your answer from here? From 1 to 6, 1 equality is given. So, closed 1 to closed 6. So, I have two parts of answers. In first case, I have answers from minus 4 to 1. In second part, I have answers from 1 to 6. Put together union of these two, what is it? I have answers from minus 4 to 1, 1 to 6. So, collection of all the numbers from minus 4 to 6 will be your final answer. So, the union of these two sets, minus 4 to 1 union 1 to 6 is nothing but simple minus 4 to 6. So, that is what we arrived at geometrically also. So, answer for this question would be minus 4 to 6 closed interval. Shall we solve another inequality? Let us look at another question. Solve mod x minus 3 greater than or equal to 7. Mod x minus 3 greater than or equal to 7. So, how to solve this geometrically? I want all the numbers whose distance from 3 is greater than or equal to 7. So, to understand greater than or equal to, first understand equality. What are the numbers which are at 7 units distance from 3? 7 units to the right of 3 is 10. 7 units to the left of 3 is 3 minus 7, which is minus 4. Now, what I want those points whose distance from 3 is more than 7. So, start moving from 3. As I move, distance keeps increasing. At certain point 10, distance will now be 7. If I move further rightwards, distance will be more than 7. So, what is your answer? Set of all numbers from 10 to till where? Eternity, infinity. So, your answer will be from 10 to infinity, all the numbers. 10 is included because equality is given here. At 10, distance will be 7. So, equality is given. So, it will be closed interval 10 to infinity. So, let me come to the leftwards. I will start moving from 3 leftwards. Distance is slowly increasing. At certain point, it will become how much? 7. At which point? Minus 4. At minus 4, this distance is equal to 7. What I want? I want the distance either to be 7 or more than 7. So, I can move still further leftwards. I can move till where? Minus infinity. So, all points from minus infinity till minus 4 will again be part of our answer. So, what is your answer? Minus infinity to minus 4 union 10 to infinity. How to do the same question analytically? Split the discussion into two cases, x greater than 3 and x less than 3. In both the cases, first case x mod x minus 3 is x minus 3, second one it is 3 minus x. Right, solve the inequality, plot them on the number line and get the answer. Will you do it analytically also? Good, do it. And I will solve another question. This question I will do it analytically for you. Let us look at another question. Solve mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 7. Now, this particular question I will do it analytically, you do it geometrically. So, to do this question analytically, what I need to do? I have to break this into two cases. What are those? Cut the number line at 1 and again cut the number line at 3. So, effectively how many cases? 3 cases, 1, 2 and 3. So, let me look at case 1. case 1 is set of all numbers less than 1, less than 1. So, in this particular case x is less than 1. Whenever x is less than 1, what will happen? Mod x minus 1, x is less than 1, so will be 1 minus x plus x is less than 1, so it will also be less than 3, so this will be 3 minus x. So, this is greater than or equal to 7. So, effectively what I have is 2x, I will push it to the other side, 2x is less than or equal to, what I am left with here, 1, 3, 4, minus 7, minus 3. So, x is less than or equal to minus 3 by 2. X is less than or equal to minus 3 by 2. So, what is the case which I am talking about? Set of numbers less than 1, set of numbers less than 1. In that, what did I get? Set of numbers less than minus 3 by 2, less than or equal to minus 3 by 2. So, numbers less than or equal to minus 3 by 2 will be numbers to the left of minus 3 by 2, and all these numbers are also less than 1. So, what will be my solution from here? Set of all numbers starting from minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, that will be part of my answer. Minus 3 by 2 is included or excluded? Equality is here, so it is a closed interval minus 3 by 2. Now, let me look at a second case. What is second case? Set of all numbers between 1 and 3. Set of all numbers between 1 and 3. X is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 3. What will happen in this case? X is greater than or equal to 1. So, mod x minus 1 is x minus 1 itself, plus x is less than 3. So, mod x minus 3 will be 3 minus x. This sum should be greater than or equal to 7. What can you see happening here? X and minus x are getting cancelled. I am getting 2 is greater than or equal to 7. Is it ever possible that 2 is greater than or equal to 7? No. So, what is your answer from here? Null set. There is absolutely no contribution from second case. So, you do not get any solution in this particular case. Case 3, I am doing this analytically. If you are doing it geometrically, you can see a symmetry about the midpoint of 1 and 3, that is 2. Using that symmetry, because there is some answer here, there will be symmetrically same answer there, you can conclude geometrically. That I am leaving it to you. Analytically, I am doing case 3 analytically. What is it? X greater than or equal to 3. Equality will come with the greater than symbol. In this case, what will happen? Mod x minus 1 is x minus 1. Mod x minus 3 is x minus 3. This sum you want it to be greater than or equal to 7. So, what is it? 2x greater than or equal to 4, I am taking it to the other side, 11, x greater than or equal to 11 by 2. Is it part of our assumption? What is our assumption? X greater than or equal to 3, set of all numbers to the right of 3. And what we got? X greater than or equal to 11 by 2. 11 by 2 is how much? More than 5, right? So, it will be to the right of 3. So, I want set of all numbers from 11 by 2 to infinity. So, what is the contribution from third case? Set of all numbers from 11 by 2 to infinity. So, effectively what is our solution? Minus infinity to minus 3 by 2 union 11 by 2 to infinity. We saw symmetry about midpoint of 1 and 2. So, even if you add these numbers and divide them by 2, you will get 2. You can just verify sum of those two numbers divided by 2 will be midpoint. So, the symmetry, identification of this symmetry is very important to you, both in algebra as well as in your geometry. Let me solve another inequality for you. Modulus of x minus 4 minus modulus of x plus 1 is less than or equal to 7. Modulus of x minus 4 minus modulus of x plus 1 is less than or equal to 7. So, you want me to do this geometrically or analytically? Because I solved the previous question analytically, let me do this geometrically. I have to cut the number line at 4. I have to cut the number line at minus 1. I want a number x whose distance from 4 minus whose distance from minus 1 is less than or equal to 7, is less than or equal to 7. So, let me see if I can get any point here. Distance from 4 is this one minus distance from minus 1 is this much. From this distance, from 4, I am subtracting distance from minus 1. So, what can you feel about difference of these two numbers? This minus this. This is a smaller number, this is a larger number, right? Difference is negative. And once this is negative, it will automatically be less than or equal to 7. So, each and every number which is greater than 4, this distance minus this difference of this distance and this distance is negative. So, it will automatically be less than or equal to 7. So, every number here is part of our answer. Our answer includes all numbers from 4 to infinity. Let me look at the next case now. This distance mod x minus 4 minus this distance, what can you conclude about it? See, look at this distance, how much is it? Distance between 4 and minus 1, 5, right? This distance, how much will it be? Less than 5. From that you are removing something else. So, what will the effective answer be? Definitely less than 5. And what you want it to be? Less than 7. So, automatically something which is less than 5 will also be less than 7. So, each and every number here is again part of your answer. So, again you will have union of numbers from minus 1 to 4. Is it clear? This distance is 5. I am taking any number in between minus 1 and 4. Distance of that number from 4 is less than 5. From that again you are removing some other distance which is positive. So, it will in turn be less than 5, and you want all the numbers which will give you less than 7. So, definitely each and everything is part of your answer. Let me look at somewhere here. What I want now is distance from 4 minus distance from minus 1. I want all the numbers whose distance from 4 minus whose distance from minus 1 should be less than or equal to 7. Now, what can you see about this distance minus this distance? Visualize it. See here, x is here, x mod x minus 4 is this distance, mod x minus minus 1 is this distance. So, from this distance I am subtracting this particular distance. What will you be left with? From this distance I am subtracting this distance. What will you be left with? This one, right? How much is it? 5. So, irrespective of the value of 5 x here, this difference will always be equal to 5. And is 5 less than or equal to 7? Yes, it is. So, each and every number in this case will again be part of your answer. Set of all numbers from minus infinity to minus 1. Minus infinity is open. So, what is collection of all these numbers? You have numbers from minus infinity to minus 1, you have numbers from 1 to 4, and you have numbers from 4 to infinity. So, your answer will be set of all real numbers R. So, your solution set will be set of all real numbers R. Is it clear how to do the question geometrically? Same thing you can also continue analytically. Let me solve one question. Modulus of x minus 4 is equal to x minus 4. And let me also look at another question. Modulus of x minus 1 is greater than modulus of x minus 5. And third question, modulus of 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 2 times modulus of x minus 4. Let me solve all these questions in one go geometrically. Third question I will also do it analytically. In first case, what is happening? You can directly see modulus of some number is equal to that number itself. So, what is happening? When will this happen? Modulus of a number is equal to that number itself. When will that happen? Only when the number is greater than or equal to 0. So, x minus 4 has to be greater than or equal to 0. So, x should be greater than or equal to 4. How do you write this? 4 to infinity, closed 4 to infinity. So, what is your answer for first question? Closed 4 to infinity. Now, let me look at second question. First question looks simple, but it has plenty of applications. I will show you one of that application in fourth question. Modulus of x minus 1 is greater than modulus of x minus 5. What does that mean geometrically? Distance of a number from 1 is more than distance, its distance from 5. I want all the numbers such that whose distance from 1 is more than their distance from 5. So, let us say x is here, distance of x from 1, is it more than its distance from 5? Which one is more, distance from 1 or distance from 5? And what do you want? Distance from 1 to be more, right? But so, you will not get any answer here. Let me see a number here, distance from 1 and distance from 5. Distance from 1 and distance from 5, which one is more? Distance from 1, and that is what you want. So, each and every number to the right of 5 will be part of your answer, right. Let me see in between. For what all numbers distance from 1 is more, and for what all numbers distance from 5 is more. To understand any inequality, understand the equality. When are the distances equal? At the midpoint. What is midpoint of 5 and 1? 5 plus 1 by 2, 3 is the midpoint. So, when I am here, am I farther from 1 or farther from 5? Distance from 1 is more than distance from 5, I want that. And when I am here, I am closer to 1 and away from 5, I do not want that. So, what is set of all the numbers? From 3 to 5. So, what will be answer for this particular question? 3 to 5 and 5 to infinity. Effectively, you have all the numbers from 3 to infinity. Now, 3, is it closed or open? Is equality given here? No. So, 3 is open interval. So, what is your answer? Open interval 3 to infinity. Okay. So, this is how you solve this question geometrically. You can also solve it analytically. So, let me look at third question. I can do it both geometrically as well as analytically. Let me start with the analytical method first. So, in order to understand each of these modulus analytically, when we want to remove them, I have to cut the number line at 4 to understand mod x minus 4, and to understand mod 3 x minus 2, I have to cut the number line at 2 by 3. So, split the discussion into 3 cases. What is your first case? X less than 2 by 3. When you see x is less than 2 by 3, modulus of 3x minus 2, what will it be? Negative. So, it will be 2 minus 3x. You want it to be less than 2 into x minus 4, what is it? Positive or negative? X is less than 2 by 3. So, x minus 4 is negative. So, this will be 4 minus x. So, effectively what do you have? 2 minus 3x here, minus 2x here, minus x less than or equal to 8. 2 if I take it to the other side, 6. When I am multiplying with minus sign, inequality will reverse. So, x greater than or equal to minus 6, x greater than or equal to minus 6. So, set of all numbers from minus 6 till where our discussion is only in first case up to 2 by 3. So, my answer will be set of all numbers from minus 6 to 2 by 3. Minus 6 is closed, 2 by 3 is open. I am talking about x less than 2 by 3. So, let me discuss second case now. So, second case we are talking about x lying between 2 by 3 to 4. So, what will happen in this case? X is greater than 2 by 3. So, mod 3x minus 2 will be 3x minus 2 itself, less than or equal to 2 times x is less than 4. So, mod x minus 4 will be 4 minus x. So, what do I get from here? 3x minus 2x, 5x less than or equal to 8 plus 2, 10. So, x less than or equal to 2, x less than or equal to 2, and where will be 2? Somewhere in between 2 by 3 and 4. So, what is the solution? I want set of all numbers less than or equal to 2, in which assumption? When x lies between 2 by 3 and 4. So, x has to be greater than 2 by 3 and it should even be less than 2. So, what is the solution which I get from here? Set of all numbers from 2 by 3 to 2. 2 by 3 is closed, equality is given at 2 by 3, at 4, at 2 again equality is there, x less than or equal to 2. So, up to closed 2. So, are we ready to move to the third case? In third case, let us see what happens. What is third case? X greater than 4. With 4 we put greater than, we put equality also. So, 3x minus 2 mod is 3x minus 2 itself. X is greater than 4. So, this is less than 2 into mod x minus 4 is x minus 4 itself. 3x, 2x, 1x remains, minus 8, x less than or equal to, this is minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. X less than or equal to minus 6, what are we talking about? Numbers here, but which case are we talking about? X greater than 4. In x greater than 4, can x be less than minus 6? Never, right? So, you do not have any solution here. So, finally, what is your solution? Set of all numbers from minus 6 to 2 by 3 union 2 by 3 to 2. This will be your final answer. So, I told you I will also do this geometrically. So, let me do this question geometrically. How to do this question geometrically? Slightly trickish. This I can understand, distance from 4, mod x minus 4 is distance from 4. But how do I understand mod 3x minus 2? It is distance of 3x from 2, but that will not help you in finding any solution, right. So, take 3 common, I will take 3 common. What will I be left with? 3x will give me 3 out, this will become 2 by 3. 3 into mod x minus 2 by 3. I want it to be less than or equal to 2 into modulus of x minus 4. So, what I want is, I want those numbers whose distance from 2 by 3 and whose distance from 4 satisfy this condition. What is that condition? 3 times of this distance should be less than or equal to 2 times of this distance. Okay. So, let me see how to interpret this data, how to interpret this particular situation geometrically. So, there is another way of writing the same equation, you just have to write it in your mind, but for your representation I am writing it neatly. Modulus of x minus 2 by 3 divided by modulus of x minus 4, I am bringing this modulus here, should be less than or equal to 2, take this 3 the other side, by 3. And to understand inequality, I told you first you have to understand the equality. First you understand the equality. So, let me focus on equality part first. What does this mean? Distance of x from 2 by 3 and distance of x from 4, they are in the ratio of which? 2 by 3, 2:3 ratio. So, I am talking about a point whose distance from 2 by 3 is to its distance from 4 is in the ratio of 2 by 3. So, I want a point whose distance from 2 by 3 and whose distance from 4 is in the ratio of 2 and 3, 2:3 ratio. This is possible internally in between and also externally, minus 2:3 ratio. So, it is possible both internally as well as externally. One point you get inside, one point you get outside. So, let me calculate the point which is between 2 by 3 and 4 in the ratio of dividing in the ratio of 2:3. What is that point? You know the section formula, 3 into 2 by 3. How much is it? 2 plus 2 into 4. How much is it? 8 divided by 2 plus 3, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, or normal section formula. This is 2 parts, this is 3 parts, total is 5 parts, distance break it into 5 parts, calculate 2 parts, just add to 2 by 3, you will get that number. So, what is that number? 10 divided by 5, this particular number is 2, this particular number is 2. And what is the other number which is outside the segment of 2 by 3 and 4 and dividing in the ratio of the distances is 2 by 3. So, which is more distance, numerator or denominator? Denominator is larger, right. So, the point should be away from 4 and closer to 2 by 3. So, closer to 2 by 3 and away from 4. Is it this case or this case? See here numbers are closer to 4, here numbers are away from 4. So, we are talking about numbers this side. Which is the number which we are talking about? A number which divides in the ratio 2 by 3 and 4 in the ratio minus 2 is to 3. Again you use section formula, 3 into 2 by 3 minus 2 into 4 divided by 3 minus 2. So, this will be how much? 2 minus 8 minus 6 divided by 1. So, this will be minus 6. This point is how much? Minus 6. So, these are the 2 points where 3 times of distance from 2 x minus 2 by 3, distance of x from 2 by 3 is equal to 2 times of distance from 4. But what I want this to be less than. So, if you carefully understand the cases where the distance will be less than, you will see set of all these points, they obey that this distance will be less than this particular distance. So, what will be your answer finally? Minus 6 to 2. So, answer will be from minus 6 to 2. So, if you observe, this is nothing but set of all points from minus 6 to 2. So, that is your answer, set of all numbers from minus 6 to 2. So, this is how you solve questions geometrically and analytically, the questions which involve absolute value functions. In the next class, we will solve little more inequalities. We name it under the heading wavy curve method. This is very important to solve inequalities. This will give us lot more understanding of inequalities, and while we do this, we will also solve some advanced level questions which club both absolute value method function, wavy curve method, and also some questions which we learned in our initial classes. So, combining all of them, we will create some beautiful questions and solve them. All the best.